I am back again with another easy turban hair tie video. With this one, my hair is in cornrows, whereas last time they were in cornrows, but I could make a small little bun in the back to attach the extension to. But no matter what hairstyle you have, it should be easy to attach the extension to your hair using bobby pin. So I am wrapping the hair extension in the position that I want it and securing it with bobby pins. Sorry about that, my camera was a little off. I didn't realize that until after the recording, but you can still see what's going on, so I am checking to see whether it's in a good place and to see whether it's secure enough. Now I am going in with my first layer. First layers are nice. You can have different colors. I chose to do a black today because my hair tie has some colors in it. And there is the hair tie that I'm using today. You want to place it at the front of your head. And I'm turning around here so I can show you the back. You want to crisscross it. Once it's crisscrossed, mine wasn't even on both sides. You can go ahead and start wrapping it around the bun that you made with the hair extension. And the key to getting this to look nice is to tuck in whatever loose ends that you see that are out of place. So once you're done putting it in place, you just have to keep picking and prodding at it so that it looks the way you want it. I'm checking with the mirror to see how it looks in the back. And of course, tucking away anything that's not in place. And I was lucky because the reverse side of the hair tie did not show at all. Sometimes, depending on the material, you can have the non-design side showing up too, but this one came out pretty nicely. And I am so sorry that the camera wasn't centered well enough. When I'm sitting up front it looks okay, but I guess when I'm facing backwards my head is tilted a little bit, so it's not completely in the frame. But again, that's about it. You just have to adjust it to the way you like it. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I really love that hair tie. and I am ready to start my day, to go out on a date, work, and everything in between. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. And be back again. See you next time.